Let's explore two awe-inspiring structures that will leave you in awe. Our first contender is the KVLY TV Mast, an impressive feat standing tall at 2063 feet. This makes it the tallest structure in the Western Hemisphere and the fourth tallest in the world. However, it's important to note that it relies on guy wires for support, which disqualifies it from being considered a self-supporting structure. Consequently, it often goes unnoticed unless featuring the world's tallest building or towers, which is a shame considering its remarkable height. Nevertheless, the KVLY TV Mast has an intriguing history. Upon its completion in 1963, it held the title of the world's tallest structure until the Warsaw Radio Mast surpassed it about a decade later. However, the Warsaw Mast unexpectedly collapsed in 1991, allowing the KVLY TV Mast to regain its title until the completion of the Burj Khalifa in Dubai in 2010, which stands at a staggering 2722 feet. Owned by Great Television and based in Atlanta, Georgia, this tower broadcasts at 356 kilowatts on Channel 44, providing coverage for the television station KVLY in Fargo, North Dakota, spanning approximately 9,700 square miles. Interestingly, the KVLY TV Mast has a neighboring companion, the KXJB TV Mast, standing at 2060 feet and ranking as the fifth tallest structure globally. Despite facing collapses and reconstruction due to accidents, these towers remain iconic structures in their own right. Now, let's fasten our seatbelts for a thrilling adventure with our second entry, Dakota. In 2005, Six Flags Great Adventure in Jackson, New Jersey unveiled Dakota, not only the fastest roller coaster but also one of the tallest structures worldwide. As the second structure coaster ever built, it propels riders to hair-raising heights exceeding 400 feet, precisely 456 feet. The ride is so fast-paced that if you have a fear of heights, you may not even have time to register the immense altitude until the descents begin, hurtling back towards the ground at over 120 miles per hour. Needless to say, Dakota is not for the faint-hearted. Since its opening, the roller coaster has gained overnight fame among both the general public and roller coaster enthusiasts. Its advanced technology demanded a dedicated maintenance team to ensure its smooth operation. As riders embark on their journey, a recorded message reminds them to keep their arms down, head back, and hold on tight before the car catapults from the station. In just 5 seconds, it reaches a mind-boggling top speed of 128 miles per hour. The track stretches over 3,000 feet, featuring twists, turns, climbs, and drops that deliver spine-chilling maneuvers and weightless movements. However, like any thrilling ride, Dakota has experienced a few incidents over the years. Notably, in 2012, a young boy was struck by a bird during normal operation, resulting in minor injuries and a visit to the hospital. Brace yourself for a soaring experience with Dakota, where the adrenaline-fueled adventure awaits.